God damn it, Chris, the Jets just lost. What the hell? Damn it. The hell is it? This time of night?
Hey, how you doing, boss? I found this fucking dog. I have this dog, and I was wondering if you wanted to buy it from me, you know, because it's a real pain in the ass for me, but I really can't take care of it anymore. So I was wondering, you know, what you want to do about it, you know, if you want to take care of it or whatever you want to do.
You don't see you don't have the dog barking already? What am I gonna do with another goddamn dog?
Well, I just figured, you know, if you got another dog, your dog's got a companion, you know, it's fucking, you got friends, you know, maybe you can mate them, I don't know, whatever you want to do with it.
That is the dumbest shit I have ever heard.
So would that be a yes or a no? I don't know.
Oh, in a not retard book, it'd be a no. Did you say dog?
So, does your buddy want the dog or not?
Action! Keep recording, right? Action! The fuck is it?
You can fucking keep
Action! This time of night? Jesus Christ.
Hey, how you doing, alright, come on.